Hello, in this video we're going to go through example 2. I'm going to go ahead and switch slides and get started. So example 2 says the circle graph shows the distribution by age of 191 million car drivers in the US, with all numbers rounded to the nearest million. If one driver is randomly selected, what is the probability that the person is not in the 20 to 29 age group? So if I want to do that, we are going to do the probability of not 20 to 29. That's the same as 1 minus the probability that you are 20 to 29. So we're going to do 1 minus, and then for my fraction, we want our total number of people, which they told us at the top was 191. And then in our 20 to 29 age group, let's see, 20 to 29. We have 33 million people, so we're going to put 33 on top here. Again, 1 is the same as 191, our total, divided by itself. And we're subtracting from it 33 over 191. Again, subtract our numbers on top, so 191 minus 33. I get 158 divided by 191. I am putting that to my calculator because I don't know if it simplifies. It doesn't. So that is my final answer, 158 divided by 191. All right, your second problem, it says, what is the probability that someone is less than 80 years old? Notice that my final category here is greater than or equal to 80. So for this problem, the probability that you're less than 80 is equal to 1 minus the probability that you're greater than or equal to 80. So again, we're doing 1 minus, then that total up there gave me 6 over the total number of people, which again is 191. We're doing 191 over 191 minus 6 over 191. And again, we're subtracting across the top, so 191 minus 6 is 185 divided by 191. I kind of feel like 191 might be prime, so I don't think I can simplify that. I can't, so that is my final answer. 185 divided by 191. All right, as always, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to your teacher.